ragging on my duvets. I'm telling them off, Gally. Say, don't chew Mummy's blankets. Hello, little one. Gally, what are you doing? Gally? Oh, she spotted me. Oh God. Here we go. Hello. Oh, she didn't do it. Good girl. We're getting better. Yay. Good girl, Flick. Woo-hoo! Wee-wee's outside. Flower. Just demolishing the garden. Oh, here we go. Little run after a wee. Up, up, up. Good girl. Flower spreads her legs out like mine. Hey guys, please watch this. You like what's it? Do you like it in here, guys? Feel clean. Feel clean. Made them a little bed because I'm going to try and get them to have a little nap in here today to get used to it. So when I pop out, they've got somewhere to go instead of me having to put them in the pen. They can run around this little room during the day. Balls, throw it for her. Good throw.
I threw it down.
I get it, I get it. Flower, there. There you go. Here's your ball. Here's your ball. See how she likes the ball? But look, Flower loves your tennis ball you gave her. Go get it, Flower. Good girl.
I threw this ball.
Don't rub your dirty mouths on me. Oh, it's too late. It's too late. Oh God, why do I bother? Girls, unnecessary. Go, Flick, go.
Oh, look, there's a cat in that window.
Hey, where are we going? Oh, you did? Oh, Bunny. Come here, you little... What happened? Harvey, did they do it again? What did you guys do? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can I have that feather? I want that. Right, you got your water. I got your water here. How good this pig is. Sit. Sit. Good girl. What a good piggy. What a good piggy. You are. Here, have a free one. Have a free one. Oh, Flower wants one too. Here. Flower. You sit. Sit, Flower. Good girl. What a good piggy. What a good piggy. You want more? We're nearly finished. Flick. Sit. 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 Oh, good girl. Oh, good girl. Take one for Flower. You can have a free one. Oh, it went on the floor. There you go. You're having your bit of dinner. Got you some fresh mound of hay for your bedtime. Night, everyone. What are you doing in here, boys? Come to check up on Lulu. Poor little Lulu. She can stand on her right leg, but she can't put any weight at all on her left leg. Hey, Jack. Pickles. Pickles. Harley, are you looking at yourself in the mirror? Oh, you're a sexy duck, aren't you, boy? He's like, hey, sexy duck. Oh, Lulu. The vet opens in 10 minutes. We'll give them a call. Not his eyeball, Jack. Don't hurt her eyes. Callie, you watch your eyes. Shut your eyes, honey. Gentle. Callie, watch Lulu behind him. Be careful. Right, Lulu. She's going to put a bit of weight on it at the moment, which is good. Jack, don't hurt my little girl. Is she hurting you? Is he hurting you, Callie? Oi! Not your paws. Is he biting you, Callie? No, not Lulu. Lulu can't handle your weight. You just bit him. I saw that. I saw. Oh, you nibble his wing. Hey? Callie, you have teeth. He does not have teeth. Callie, come on. Control yourself. Oh, that face. She's like, but he's biting me. Callie, don't push Lulu. He's getting pissed off with you, Callie. He's going to bite you. He's going to bite you again. No paws. Callie, watch your paws. And watch your teeth. Callie. She's like, well, what do you want me to do then? How do I play with this thing? Is she biting you? Is she biting you? You tell her off, Jackie boy. Look at him, he rags on her face. Callie, don't put his head in your mouth. Come on. Callie, control yourself. Good girl, kiss it. She's like, I kiss him and he bites me. Good girl, stay down. The lower you are, the better it is to play. Oh. Jack, you're being spiteful.